Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be installing my new fuel pump. I got a Walbro 255, pretty common I guess. It's going to be in conjunction with me doing my new 6-port turbo build that I got going on. So a little bit more fuel pressure, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to installing it. Alright, so first things first, prop open your trunk. I mean, if you're cool like me, you have a sweet pool stick to prop that open. And then we'll be taking off the cover. I'm probably gonna have to get a light down here, but that's what's first. Alright, so first things first, I guess, taking off this access panel. Obviously in my car, a little bit more access than most, since all the interior is stripped out. Oh, well, shooting that screw. There's 4 of these, but mine seems to only have 3 in here, so I guess that's that. So I unplugged mine. Mine just came off, and you get access to the awesome 8 little, probably most likely really rusted screws. So I'll be taking these off right now. So I got these labeled 1 and 2, you know, so I know where they go, kind of thing. Got the cover off, got all the 8 bolts out. So it's time to get these lines off. There we go. Ooh, a little bit of fuel. Might have to put the camera down for this one, but I'm gonna get that one off. Alright, got the lines off. Time to pull it out. It's probably very fuely. Mine's a pretty full tank, of course. Fuel pump. Alright, so got the whole fuel pump and everything assembly out. Looks fairly easy how it's connected. You got your wires, a little tube going up there. It's kind of connected down here. The Phillips right there. And the new fuel pump comes with the new bottom piece right here. Which looks like it goes right there. Horrible at videoing. But I'm gonna take this out right now and start getting that other one prepped. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so I got the fuel pump out. It was pretty easy. As I said, held on the bottom with this little screw and this little bracket right there. Hold the bottom and the filter on. Then up here you had like the feed tube or the pump tube where it pumps out at the top right here, and then you had your positive and negative on the actual pump. And now with the Walbro 255 they give you new pump, obviously, new filter, so be sure to put that on. Install their plug, positive, negative, pretty self-explanatory. They give you some butt connectors here. There's a new bottom piece holder It goes down on the silver bracket right there. So they give you everything to install it, so it's kind of a take apart, reinstall sort of deal. Alright guys, new fuel pump is in. They give you a clip, splice in right there. Let's run the pump. New filter right there. New little rubber grommet for the mount because it's a little bit smaller but pumps out a little bit more. And you just connect your line right there, and it's pretty straightforward actually. I think the hardest part is getting out the rusty bolts, but I'm gonna throw this in real quick and get her all buttoned up. Alright, just got her set in. Hook my lines back up, put in my screws right there, hook that back up, put the plate back on, and that's pretty much the install, so I'll get to that. Alright, got all those annoying bolts in. Time to put this cover on. Horrible camera skills right now. Put this down real quick. Boom, there you go. There's that. This can go. Oh, there. Another one. This install isn't very hard. I'd say if I wasn't vlogging, and with how easy my car is with no interior, like 20 minutes maybe. Good to go. Plug this in over here. Alright, boom, that's plugged in. Alright. Alright, so it's all buttoned up, plugged in. I'm not gonna test it tonight. I still have some stuff to do on the turbo build, so it should work. I hooked it up right, I'm pretty sure. But that's it for tonight. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that, and I'll see you on the next one.